Every landmark begins as a vision on paper. At Dazuma, we respect the blueprint, but we live for the brilliance that follows. True partnership is built on precision. We collaborate with architects to bridge the gap between imagination and technical reality. The moment of truth. Our exterior solutions transform stone and steel into a warm, welcoming beacon. Engineering excellence, visible from miles away. From the grandeur of the lobby to the intimacy of fine dining. Dazuma creates layered light environments that elevate textures and emotions. Inside every room, we deliver comfort, personalized, sophisticated, and flawlessly executed. When the client smiles, our project is completed. Dazuma, your global turnkey partner for professional project lighting. From blueprints to breathtaking reality. Contact us immediately to request the product catalog you need.